Good morning, students. We had already completed the chapter heat, and some problems in your exercise are there to solve, like numerical problem. So today we are going to solve all the numerical problems, and I hope you had just finished your test nicely. So let us come to the numerical. Numerical first is the temperature of an object is 60 degrees Celsius. What is its temperature on Fahrenheit scale? So how do we solve? Numerical first is temperature of object is equal to 60 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit, the formula of taking out the formula of converting degree Celsius into Fahrenheit is F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. This is the formula, and we will put the values. F is equal to 9 by 5 into 60 plus 32. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Then after calculating we'll get 108 plus 32, that will be 140 degree Fahrenheit. We had converted degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Now come to next problem. Boiling point of alcohol is 78 degrees Celsius. Find its temperature on Kelvin scale. Come to second one. Second is boiling point of alcohol is equal to 78 degrees Celsius. Kelvin में if we have to convert in Kelvin, very simple, 78 plus 273 degrees Celsius we add, we will be able to convert into Kelvin. 351 Kelvin if we convert it. Now come to third one. Third one is very nice question. Find the temperature whose value is same both on Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. The answer is minus 40 degree. Okay, minus 40 degree is the value which is same on Celsius and Fahrenheit scale both. Question number 4. The recorded temperature of a patient is 100.4 degree Fahrenheit. What will be its temperature on Celsius scale? Fourth one is temperature of patient. Patient is equal to 100.4 degree Fahrenheit. We have to convert it into degree, this is Fahrenheit. We have to convert it into degree Celsius. The formula is C is equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32. This is the formula we use when we convert Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Okay, so here we are going to put the values 5 by 9 100.4 minus 32. If we subtract 32, we'll get 5 by 9 into 68.4. So C is equal to 5 by 9. If we divide it by 9, we'll get 5 into 7.6. When we divide it by 9, we'll get 7.6, and if we multiply it, we'll get C is equal to 38 degrees Celsius. This is the answer. These 4 numericals I have solved for you, and almost you have completed 4 chapters from 2nd, 3rd, 4 and 5, and total number of chapters in your book are 7. So you have already completed your half yearly exam syllabus, and very soon you will be going through your half yearly exam, so you be prepared for that, and I'll keep on revising the syllabus. Thank you for today. Goodbye.